Hey friends, this is Atif Opir Val and welcome to the new update on LRC. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that LRC has recently broken out another down channel, and this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, this is by the way a 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that first LRC broke out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and after the breakout, it was stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout from this wedge, it got rejected by this long-term resistance of 50 cents and got stuck inside in another bullish bias pattern. And that was a down channel. But this time, while moving to the downside, we broke down this very significant support zone. That starts from 21 cents and goes to 17.5 cents. That was also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this previous bigger down channel, not down channel, falling wedge pattern. And therefore now this level can break at a very, very strong resistance. In fact, it is breaking at a very strong resistance, and it is very significant to break it out as soon as possible. And now you can see that after gearing up the price and it's moving towards this resistance zone. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for LRC that I shared almost 4 days ago with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 13% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for LRC that I shared almost 4 days ago with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that LRC formed with US dollar pair on a 1 hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade signal. Buying on and the sell targets on, and the stop loss was below this level. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then once again dropped down into the buying zone once again here. Then we had a very, very nice reversal and the price then rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 13% pump only on this 1 hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of LRC. And this is the weekly time frame chart. Let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, even for the past several weeks, a month, it had been moving inside this channel since after the month of March 2024. It was moving inside this channel. You can see that we had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, another bounce here, rejection, and finally the price and broke out the resistance of the channel. And after retesting the previous resistance of the channel and also tested this long-term support of 11 cents, the price and is now geared up and moving towards this long-term resistance zone that starts from 17.5 cents and goes to 21 cents. That is a quite long-term resistance zone. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that previously it has been breaking as a very strong and long-term support zone here, and support zone here, support zone here, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. By the way, this is also a recent swing low point before the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern. Therefore, in order to hit the target for the breakout from this previous bigger falling wedge pattern, we need to break out this resistance zone as soon as possible. The technical target for the breakout from this channel is, by the way, here at the top of the channel, approximately at 56 cents. That will be slightly higher than this very strong resistance of 50 cents. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That can be somewhere between $4 to $5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.